In order to enable back tap gestures on iPhone 17e, first of all we need to open settings. Over here in settings we're gonna go ahead and open accessibility menu, and then in accessibility we're gonna proceed to the touch option. In here, if you scroll down, then you should be able to find back tap. So we're gonna select it, then we can choose to decide, well, we can decide what should happen when we double tap at the back of the phone or triple tap at the back of the phone. So here we have a couple of options, and let's say I'm gonna go ahead and choose the screenshot. So I can double tap the back of the phone in order to perform the screenshot, and let's give it a try. Let's see if it's going to work. So there we go. I just double tapped the back of the phone, and I can just tap lightly. We can also see there's the information about the back tap. Usually I tap over here slightly above the Apple logo, and it works just fine. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.